Sometimes the simple but expensive love of cars can bring real friendship. I'm sure many of you watching have some friendships that have come through shared interest in cars. I'm going to share a quick story of a friend I met through our shared love of cars. It was a Sunday afternoon after church. We were heading to a grocery store, and we were heading to a grocery store to get some flowers for my wife's grandma because it was Mother's Day. So my wife and I are in this car driving over, and all of a sudden I check my rearview mirror and I see a black Mustang coming up, and I'm thinking, is this a 5.0 or what is this? What is the Mustang? So as the Mustang gets closer, I notice it's a GT350, and it's not every day you see another, Shelby GT350 on the road. So it was cool to see him. We rev our cars at each other a little bit, and then as the grocery store comes up, I get in the right turn lane to turn right. So I check my rearview mirror, and he also is turning into the right. So I'm like, okay, cool, like maybe I'll get to meet this guy. As we pull into the complex, we take a right, and then he actually ends up turning a left. So I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I won't meet him. Then I start plotting in my mind, and I ask my wife if I can just drop her off at the front of the store, and maybe I can go try to go in the direction that the 350 went and try to meet that guy. I end up dropping my wife off and then head in his direction. And luckily I got there, and he had just walked out of the car and was walking towards to the restaurant. So I pulled into the spot next to him and started talking to him, and we talked for a bit, and we exchanged numbers, and it was lucky I even got there at the time I did, because if I'd gotten there even 15 seconds later, he probably would have already been in the restaurant. So it's cool how that worked out. But almost 3 years later now, we're still good friends. My wife and I are now friends with him and his wife. And obviously we've been able to connect a lot on cars, but we've also been able to connect on deep things like marriage and raising a kid. And on top of that, our wives have been able to connect on their husband's expensive hobby. Wanted to share this story, and I'm sure you guys have some stories too, so feel free to drop those in the comments. I'd love to read about some of the ways that you guys have connected and made some friendships through cars. Thanks for watching.